Phrasal verbs are super useful in English, but can be tricky to remember. Today I'll show you an easy way to learn them. We'll spend a full day together practicing phrasal verbs in real life. Get ready to listen, repeat, and actually start using them. Let's get started. I wake up at 7 a.m. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Sometimes I wake up before my alarm. I can't wake up without sunlight. I turn on the light. Turn on means to make something start working, like lights or a TV. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. I get up right away. I don't want to get up, but I have to. I usually get up earlier on weekdays than on weekends. Okay, let's turn on the light. I'm going down the stairs. Go down means to move from a higher place to a lower one. Guys, be careful when you go down the stairs. I go down to the kitchen to make coffee every morning. The temperature goes down at night, it gets really cold. So go down isn't only about stairs. It can describe anything that moves slower. The sun goes down, prices go down, even your mood can go down after too much coffee. My mood always goes up after coffee. But before making coffee, let's head to the bathroom. Let's turn on the water. And turn it off. Turn off means to stop something working. I want to fry up some pancakes for breakfast. Fry up means to cook something in a pan. I want to boil up some water for my coffee. Boil up means to heat something until it boils. The water is boiling already. Time for coffee. Coffee time. I'm pouring out my coffee. Pour out means to serve a liquid from a container. Be careful when you pour out something hot. I've run out of milk. Run out of means to have none left. I run out of sugar sometimes too. I'm waiting for my coffee to cool down. Cool down means to become less hot. Sometimes I forget about it and it cools down too much. I clean up after breakfast. Clean up means to tidy up, or make a place neat. I always clean up right after eating. Breakfast done, kitchen clean, coffee finished, time to start the day. I put on my cozy sweater. Put on means to dress yourself in something. For example, put on your shoes. Let's go outside. And where is my phone? I'm looking for it again. Look for means to try to find something. I pick up my phone. It means I lift my phone to use it. And I pick up my laptop to start working. I sit down to get some work done. Then after a while, I stand up to stretch. It means I rise from the couch to move and relax my body. I write down my to-do list for today. This helps me stay organized. Guys, always write down what you learn. It makes it easier to remember. Now I'm checking out a new video online. Check out means to look at something interesting. Guys, check out my channel. It has a lot of great English lessons. I go out for some fresh air. Go out means to leave your home to do something. Before going for a walk, I need to throw away the trash. Throw away means to put something in a bin. Guys, don't throw away useful things. Recycle. Ай-яй-яй, какой ты грязный. I usually go out for a short walk during my work break. It feels so good to go out and stretch my legs after sitting for a long time. After a while, I come back home. Come back means to return to a place. But the weather is so nice, I might come back in an hour for another walk. You want to join me for a walk? I always feel refreshed when I come back home after a little break outside. I lie down and finally relax. Lie down means to rest horizontally. Sometimes I just lie down for a few minutes to recharge. After a busy day, it's so nice to lie down with a cup of tea. I look back on my day. It was simple, but I love my routine, especially when I practice English myself and help you guys improve too. Look back on your day. Write about it in the comments using the phrasal verbs or just do it in your diary. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.